And welcome to Kentucky Brew Reviews. I'm Special K.
And I'm Radar. And today we have Benchmark Peach. This is, of course, the Buffalo Trace Benchmark Bourbon with peach flavor added.
35% alcohol by volume. It is a liqueur.
It is a liqueur, and it costs $10. Did you?
$10.
Was it $10? Yeah. Give me some of that. That'll do. For a starter. We recently had the same thing, except for brown sugar flavored, I believe, is what it was.
We did.
That was a couple of months ago.
These are one of the cheapest flavored bourbons you can get.
Make a decently priced flavored bourbon.
Oh.
Liqueur. I'm sorry.
It's interesting because it keeps its bourbon notes in there, but it also has peach.
That
It's not overwhelmingly peach or bourbon. It just has both that are very prominent there. It almost reminds me like tea.
It is, in fact,
Black tea.
it's that color. In case you were wondering,
It is like a.
It's bourbon color.
It's like an amber. It's probably like an amber. Slightly lighter than amber.
Maybe just a little bit. Maybe just a little bit lighter than regular Benchmark. But yeah, it is. It does kind of smell like.
It reminds me of almost like peach tea.
A little bit like peach tea.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
This
Like
probably,
cold peach tea.
Why don't we get some tea? This would probably go really good with tea.
Twisted tea.
Any tea.
All the tea.
All the tea.
McDonald's.
Let's have a try of this, shall we?
Did you put your pinky out?
I don't remember.
You need to redo it then. Pinky always out. It's pretty good.
It's very sweet.
It is. It would just be expected.
I mean, it is a flavored liqueur, but
I got a good burn from it. It's
Yeah.
not like crazy or anything. Peach. It's peach bourbon and sweet. That's what you get.
yeah,
Like it's you get a lot of peach, a little bit of bourbon. So you're getting a little bit, tiny bit of the barrel.
yeah.
And then it's mostly that peach, and it's definitely an artificial-esque peach flavor.
Like peach rings.
Yeah,
This is sort of a peach ring type flavor.
but it's
But it's just not as bourbony as I was
it
expecting.
smells much more bourbony than. But
Yeah.
as we know, mixer sometimes brings out more of the bourbon.
That's very true.
Straight. If this was chilled, this would be a pretty easy shot, I would think, to take.
Even at room temperature, it's still pretty.
It gives me a little burn.
It's still pretty
but
chill.
It's not the worst burn I've had. So $10.
You sound like an air raid siren.
7. I'm gonna give it a 7.
7. That's fair. I don't think I could go 7 for it. It's just too sweet for that. Straight, I think 6.5 is decent, and that's because of price. That half extra point is definitely because of price. It is good though. I could see drinking this fairly regularly.
So I know a lot of people ask why we mix our drinks on the show. That's because a lot of people prefer their drinks mixed. Also, mixing does sometimes bring out flavors that you wouldn't always get.
Yeah.
Drinking it straight. So
It's an old trick.
color, it looks like ginger ale almost.
It
lot of
does
legs.
now.
A lot of legs.
I mean, it is still, what, 35%? Which is,
Peach knee-high.
yeah, 35%, yeah.
Like.
That's still a decent amount of alcohol for a flavored drink. For a flavored alcohol.
What do you think that smells like? Exactly what I just said?
It does kind of smell like a peach knee-high. Like peach, if you're not A, old enough, or B, live in a place where they have knee-high, peach Harry Hodos. You ever had that?
I'm
gonna go with no. Alrighty then.
That cheer wine life. But this is not cheer wine. But
Peach Harry Hodos is kind of what this tastes like, or smells like.
shall we? There was no pinky out.
I had these two fingers.
They were in. I saw it. They were in like that. When in doubt, pinky out.
I'm not in doubt. I know what I'm doing.
I don't think you do, sir.
It does keep some of its carbonation, which is unexpected. Just a little bit.
I didn't add very much of the ice.
I get 0. It needs ice. I get 0 of the soda. and it just tastes like an easier drinking, just straight piss.
Yeah, it just tastes a little bit thinner than what it tasted like already.
So here's what I recommend mixing this with: slightly sweetened tea. I would say it would be really.
That sounds like a really good idea.
I wouldn't say over sweet tea. Don't do sweet tea because this is always very sweet. I'm talking unsweetened or
tea.
Unsweetened or slightly sweetened.
Just regular black tea.
Yeah, this would be fabulous.
Yeah.
As a mixer, it's good. Is it better straight or a mixer? I'm gonna say it's slightly better as a mixer. Just slightly.
I think you're right. It is better as a mixer.
It just it tones down the sweetness and what little burn it had, it takes away. So I think it is slightly better as a mixer.
I like my bourbon a little bit hot, so the burn doesn't bother me.
Like you like
the sweetness bothers me a little bit.
Yeah, that unsweet tea, man.
Ooh, yeah, unsweetened tea would be the greatest thing.
It would
to
be
mix
killer,
with.
and you would be getting hydrated and get a little caffeine at the same time.
That's a fantastic idea.
Dirt water.
Excuse me?
Unsweet tea tastes like dirt water.
You just hate things, okay?
If this was not full, I would throw this at your face.
Unsweet tea.
Why'd you stare at me when you said that? He's the one that said it.
I have a crazy eye.
Unsweet tea is
some people just don't appreciate fine drinks.
If it's not McDonald's,
it's understandable.
Shut the hell up.
McDonald's is garbage.
McDonald's is garbage. McDonald's sweet tea is perfect.
No. All right, well, that's been our episode. If there's something you'd like to see on our channel, you can leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button. I'm Special K.
And I'm Radar. Thanks for watching.